sound strange, but don't be afraid to walk away from all that you have gathered. In life, you will gather money, you will gather property, you will gather a lot of things. Life is not about gathering, I believe. Life is about playing a fresh innings. To gain something, sometimes you need to give up something. By 2014, 15, 16, I was at the height of my career as an editor, as a journalist, as an anchor, as a leader. And then on November 8th, November 1st, 2018, I walked away from it all. I left everything and I said, I want to start my own venture. Again, the same reaction like I had when I left NDTV. Had I not left Times Now, Republic would not have happened. Had I not left NDTV, Times Now would not have happened. And had all of this not happened, maybe a lot of things which have happened in Indian journalism would not have happened. I'm not saying I've contributed greatly, but I've contributed in my small way. And I think, it is very important, students, for you to know that if someone tells you to play a fresh innings, don't look back. Always be ready to play a fresh innings. Which means if you've scored a double century, it tells you to start all over again. The challenge is not how much more you score beyond the double century. The challenge is whether you're willing to give up your wicket and start all over again and tell yourself, I'll score another century and I'll score another double century. That was my feeling. And I remember leaving Times Now and I entered into a small co-sharing space called the Garage. I left the biggest channel, everything I had built from scratch. All my fellow colleagues, employees, I left everything. I picked up my bag. I literally had a trunk with me. I had no office. I had nowhere to go. I had no money. And that is a point of time when someone told me that, I can give you a 2,000 square feet office in a place called Garage. So near Toddy Mills area, a friend of mine lent me a 2,000 square feet office. I didn't have a phone. I didn't have an assistant. I had nothing. I had just my papers and I was sitting there. It was like life was telling me to start all over again. And I think I have never been through as beautiful experience as starting all over again. You need to shed your skin sometimes, because with your skin, with what you leave behind, you also shed your ego. You also shed your sense of grandeur. You also shed your sense of office. Over a period of time, we think we are great. We have these degrees, we have these offices, we have these homes, we have this property, we have this following. And in television, it can be also, we have so many people who recognize us. Students, always be ready to play a fresh innings. Always be ready to play from the start, to shed your old skin to gain new skin. It is a rejuvenating process. It's a process of like detoxifying yourself. So sometimes in life, whatever you do, experiment with things you've not done. Start all over again.